Hi, my name is Maruf. So I'm working in Capgemini as a DevOps engineer from last 4 years. Mostly I'm working on a Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD in the Docker. So I work on the CI/CD side. I need to learn more new things. That's why I've joined the course.
How do you rate your journey so far with us in terms of content and instructor?
Yeah, so I'll tell you one thing. So I'm working in a Jenkins site. Our team main goal is to handle the Jenkins server. So as of now, in my project, I'm working from the US guide and we are using the jobs. As of now, I have not created any pipeline. I'm not aware of can create the pipelines in Jenkins. We used to create the freestyle project. So when the tutor teach us about the pipeline, so I'm will little bit surprised. Oh, we can create pipeline here also because we have created pipeline in the GitLab only. So she taught us everything about the stages and it's similar to the GitLab CI/CD. I'm aware about it, but yeah, it will be more interesting to learn the new things about the Jenkins. I think I'm mastered in the Jenkins, but I'm not sure about the pipeline. So I learned a lot of new things. And regarding the Kubernetes, she also taught us very well what is the Kubernetes and all. In the doubt section also means if we ask any doubt, she reply very well. Okay.
Got it. And there is one more question that most learners has when they join a course, like whether their doubts will be skipped or whether their doubts will be clarified. So how was that experience with us in terms of doubt clarity?
Well, if we have joined the live classes, the tutor reply very well. If we have any doubt, she would reply. But as sometimes I'm working in the night shift, so I used to watch the recorded classes. So there is a discussion section in the recorded side. So whenever I have doubt, I just type the question in the discussion. In the next, I'll get the answer. So I like that thing. Okay, you will get the answer.
You mentioned that you were watching the recording and then there was a discussion forum over there where you posted your questions. So how was that support on scale of 1 to 10? How do you rate that?
9.5.
And lastly, I would like to understand any feedback from your end to the learners who are planning to join.
Feedback means the course is very well. If you will join, you definitely upskills yourself. If you are working in DevOps itself and you want to upskill, then definitely you will join this because okay, you will study from the YouTube. You will study from the YouTube, but you will not get the hands on the real practical which you will implement in the MNC or in any product-based company. You need to do the hands-on, the real case scenario, what will work, is how you need to do it. In the YouTube and the Udemy, you will just learn, okay, this is the concept, this is this. But what is actually concept and how it's implement in the production. So yeah, it's helpful.
Thank you so much for doing this. Thanks a lot.